So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a currency to your savings account on Wise. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here, you just go to the top right corner and tap on Open. Then under the Organize section, you tap on Add a Currency, and here you will tap on Savings. And now you can just select whichever currency you want to add. Let's say it's euros. Now you will be able to select one of these three options. You can either keep your money with interest, keep your money in stocks, or keep it with no growth. Let's go with stocks for now. You just tap on continue, and you can tap on get started, and then follow the steps that the app indicates. And then you will have euro as a currency in your savings account as well. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.